wake up like a boss, and I be thanking Jesus. Fakers trying to get up in my circle, I don't really need them. We was saying we up next forever, now we really mean it. We about that action, acting bad shit when you see us. Yeah, I'm passionate.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michaela Michelle. If you didn't know, now you know, honey. Before we get into this video, I want y'all to go and press that subscribe button so that you can get more content like this. Also, don't forget to press the notification bell so you can be notified every time I drop a video. So, that being said, let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so now I'm done my baby's hair. I'm gonna do mine. It's gonna be real simple. I know it's looking like it. I'll fix it up and make it look nice, make it look like something at least. Y'all, little small chit chat, sideline chit chat. I don't know how many people out there have gone through postpartum depression after they had their little ones, but for me, whew, y'all, that mess kicked my butt. And so, you know, learning from my firstborn, I had my secondborn back in May, so he is 7 months today, actually. Yes, my baby's 7 months today, y'all. He's so, woo. If y'all ever seen, what's the name of that movie? Boss Baby with Jimbo. Baby, he is the true live black Jumbo. When I tell you my son is strong, honey, listen, I be having to pull my hair in a ponytail every time, you know, I got him, because, y'all, it be a struggle. My baby love giving hugs. He be hugging me and he just be like, No, I say, he be locked in on that neck. I say, baby, I love you, but look, you hurting me, I'm gonna have to put you down, okay? Yo, but anyways, y'all, just learning from my firstborn, going through that postpartum depression. Like, lately, I've just been saying, like, I know y'all probably like, I'm doing my hair, and then after this, I'm about to do my makeup, but I'm not going nowhere. Like, I'm gonna pick up some stuff from the store, but other than that, I'm not going nowhere. You know what I'm saying? This is just for me to help me feel better about myself. I wish I like, damn, put that hair down. But yeah, like, this is just to help me feel better about myself, you know. That postpartum depression, it ain't no punk. And then also, you know, being a stay-at-home mom, and then the stuff that's going on in the world right now. I got my babies, and we really, like, I'm real hesitant about just going out in public, just being out at this time. And so, you know, if we're outside, it's in the front yard or the backyard, or we going for a walk. But other than that, we really just not venturing off and going into places where it's like heavily populated with people and stuff, you know what I'm saying? And I just gotta pick myself back up and, you know, make myself feel pretty. And then also, you know, with the baby comes the changes of the body. Like, I need to feel good about myself, so I gotta start somewhere. So I started, you know, with my hair, and then I've been doing my makeup lately. I haven't worn makeup in a long time, and so I just started back wearing makeup. And then I bought this this hair, you know what I'm saying? I haven't had no weave like this in a while. You know, it's a lot of changes that took place when I gave birth to my firstborn, and she's 2 years old, so that's 2 years. Like, for a while, I just been, you know, not myself. And here lately, I said, nah, baby, you got to do something. You got to do something for yourself. Love yourself and make you feel good, because if you don't love you, honey, it's going to show on the outside, and people are going to start noticing it. And, you know, that's gonna make people feel some type of way, especially your loved ones. You know, I'm pretty sure they're gonna be concerned, like, what's going on? What are you doing? Like, honey, get your life together, because you are beautiful And anybody out there, you know, that's struggling with that part of their lives, especially after having children, like, baby, do something for yourself. Do your hair, do your nails. Like, I got a nail kit. I've been having a nail kit for so long, y'all. I put my time into my babies because I feel like my babies need me. So if that means just sitting down with them playing, you know, watching a movie or something, then that's what I'm gonna do with my babies because they need me. They need my love and they need my nurturing, you know. Can't nobody else get it to my babies but me and their daddy, you know what I'm saying? Their father, my husband, like, he not at home all the time, and that's really stressful. You know, my husband drive 18 wheelers over the road, and any mother, any stay-at-home mom that has a husband that drive over the road, y'all know what I'm going through, baby. Listen, it's a lot of people out there that think, oh girl, I love to be in your shoes, you're a stay-at-home mom, you don't got to do nothing, blah blah blah. Baby, it ain't as easy as it sounds. You know, it's very, very stressful. So anybody else out there that's going through the same thing that I'm going through, baby, look, make sure you love you first. At the end of the day, make sure you pour love back into yourself. You know what I'm saying? Because you got to be strong, and you are the nurturer of the family. So we have to be strong for them. So make sure you uplifting yourself first, because with everything coming down on you like that, that's a lot of pressure. You know what I'm saying? You got to take care of you and them. You know, so make sure that when you wake up in the morning, you loving on yourself. You know what I'm saying? Just do your hair and do your makeup, even if you're not going nowhere. Walk around the house and look good for you. Look good for you first. You know what I'm saying? And then if you married, then make sure you looking good for your spouse as well. You know, you got to keep you first, though, because, honey, ain't nobody gonna do it for you. Ain't nobody gonna do it for you, baby. I'm telling you this. Yeah, but I'm not even going nowhere, and I'm about to fix myself up. Even though my husband coming home today. Hey, babe. Yeah, I'll be so happy when my husband come home. I'll be so happy to see him. And like I said, even though it's a lot of stuff going on in the world today, we happy to be in each other's company, you know? We happy to just be physically around each other whenever we get the chance to, because I don't get to see my baby. And then also, you know, these military spouses, honey, baby, I feel for you. That is not a, oof. Girl, I don't know how you do it. Your man is gone for like a month plus, and sometimes like they're not even in the same country. Girl, I don't know how you do it, baby, because listen, I'll be like, baby, wherever you going, I'm going, because you ain't finna be away from me for that long, huh? Okay. Nah, we ain't doing that one. But baby, I feel for you. You're a champ. You're a real champ, especially if you have children. Smaller children on top of that, honey. I feel for you. I feel for you. But you know, most importantly out of all this, most importantly, when you find yourself going through, like I am, you know what I'm saying, in a situation like this, especially if you're going through postpartum depression or any type of depression or anything, you know, prayer is the number one first thing that you must do. You know, you got to get your walk right with the Most High, and you are going to have to pray. You're going to have to say, look, Heavenly Father, I need you. Like, you can't do it by yourself. And that's where a lot of us go wrong. We talk to people, we talk to family members, and no. God, the Most High God of the Bible, He's the only one that can fix it. If you feel like you just cannot pull yourself up, He can do it, okay? I promise you He can do it, and He will do it. You just have to have faith. You have to have faith. You have to trust and believe. Ooh, I love these flat irons. Y'all, these flat irons so good for leave out. Y'all see how small they is. They're gonna get them roots and they're gonna have it laying down flat. Oh, y'all, so my hair was blonde before it was like this. I dyed it back. Well, I dyed it this color, but it was blonde before I dyed it this color. And y'all, I had went through a transformation. I did a pixie cut. So I got my transformation pixie cut. And before that, I had dyed it blonde. And now, mind you, my hair is kinky curly. Like when I say it's like African roots, baby. Bum bottle, you hear me? But yeah, y'all, that blonde ain't no punk. Like, if you gonna dye your hair blonde, you better get ready to put some maintenance into it, especially if you natural, honey, because listen, it was not what it was for me, baby. It was not fun for me. I did not like having to manage that. But I've been flat ironing my hair so much with my pixie cut that, you know, hair responds to memory. And it's just like been like this for a while now. By the way, I am gonna be doing a review, a 1 month review on this hair. So y'all make sure y'all look out for that video, because I said I wasn't gonna do a video or talk about it until I've had it in for a month. And this is a U-part wig. I made this into a U-part wig and I got 4 bundles. And so far, like, I've been treating this hair like real bad. So, through, you know, having it in for a month, it's been holding up pretty good. So, I'm about ready to go on and do this review on this hair and let y'all know what's up with this. Alright, y'all, so I'm just gonna fast forward through to the end of this video. Yeah, I'm done talking, so y'all just chill out, vibe out to the music, and stay tuned to the end so you can see the finishing look.
Human beings are magical creatures. We can see what doesn't exist and choose to rise above what is. Unlike any other, humans can feel without having to have actually felt. We can share each other's pain or joy. One might use such a power to destroy, rather than to build up or support.
Lately I've been feeling something gotta change, you know. Tempted to get even. Someone to blame, but I don't gotta go that low. Keeping it in control. Got me on my weakest, don't know. Coming back, I'm gonna take what's mine. There's nobody else gonna save my life. See it so clear with my own 2 eyes. My eyes. I'm not broken.
Alright, y'all, so this is gonna be the end of the video. Unfortunately, I did not get to finish recording, but I did take pictures and I will insert them here. But yeah, so thank y'all for watching. I hope that you were able to get something out of this video positive. If not, thank you for watching. Staying tuned to the end. Make sure you press that subscribe button. Don't forget to press that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. Also, don't forget to press that like button and comment below if you have some more input you would like to add to the things that I said. Anywho, thanks, boo. See y'all in the next video. Bye.